dear teachers, and my dear students. First of all, I wish you all a happy Republic
Ma,
Day.
down your hands.
On 26th January 1950, India became republic when the constitution came into the force. This day reminds us freedom struggles of the people. So many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for the freedom struggle. As well as Republic Day also reminds us Constitution. Constitution gives us fundamental rights and duties, and it also shows us the path of liberty, equality, fraternity, and justice. As a social teacher, I would like to remind the students to understand the Constitution. It helps us to understand our duties and responsibilities towards our nation, towards our India. It is our responsibility to follow the rules and regulations, and that rules and regulations to be followed come with a discipline. Whenever we are disciplined, automatically we will follow the rules and regulations. So discipline needs 5 important things. Those 5 important things, if any human being inculcate those 5 important things in us, automatically discipline will be habituated in the lives of the people. So I want to tell those 5 points. First one is a priority. Whenever we have a priority, whenever we give priority to the things, automatically everything will be planned. Priority. Our freedom fighters gave priority to the freedom, and they, irrespective of their struggles, they fought for the freedom. Irrespective of their life problems, they fought for the freedom. So they gave priority to the freedom, and that's why today we are living in a free and democratic India. Second one is change. Before independence, we used to be ruled by the Britishers. We are under the Britishers' rule. As we want the change of the Britishers' rule, and as we want the rule by ourselves, people fought for the change. As those people were changed, those people were fought. Today we all are living in a free and democratic society. So that means first one is priority. Everyone should give priority. Being a student, what is the priority to the students? The priority to the students is the education. After that, they have to give the priority to the things like games, entertainment, and all those things. Second one is change. Everyone should have the spirit to change in themselves. Whenever change is there, automatically things will be changed. Third one is planning. You know that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar played a key role in framing of our constitution. It was not a plan of a single day. It took around 2 years, 19 days, and 11 months. That much of struggle is there before framing our constitution. That means they are planned. They planned it for us. They planned the future of our India. And today we are living in the future. We are living in the present. That is all happened because of the planning. So, being a student, you should also know how to plan what you have to do. You should have to keep a goal. After that goal, you have to make some steps. With the steps, you could move forward. Up to now, I told 3 points. Priority, change, planning. Next one is a timing. Timing is a very, very important. Timing plays a key role in everyone's life. If we, being a student, what is your timing? You should come to the school regularly by time. You should leave the school regularly by time. And whatever the teachers are telling, you have to listen. Like that, everything you have to do in timing manner. This is all possible when you woke up early in the morning and when you follow the timings at your home. Like that, when you follow the timings in your school. And last one is commitment. Everyone should have commitment and consistency. If you wanted to achieve anything, you should have commitment and consistency. As our freedom fighters, all of them have commitment towards the achievement of the freedom, so that we got independence because of their sacrifices, and today we are living happily because of them. So it is very, very important for us to remember them on this day. So I want to conclude with discipline is very, very important to everyone. Because of the discipline only, we will have success in our life. Discipline shows the path to the success. Everyone should have 5 important things in their life to inculcate the discipline in their life. What are those 5 things? First one is, what is the first one? What is the first one I told? Anybody? Priority. Second one, change. Third one, planning. Fourth one, timing. Fifth one, commitment and consistency towards what you want to achieve. I wish you all the best. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity, to the principal madam and principal sir and all of you.